Okay, it's Wednesday, April 20th, 2016, and these boxes that you see here are the assembled Dexter boards from Advanced Circuits. Not all of them, some of them, but enough for me to get started on getting these shipped out to customers. So I'm going to open up a box and check out what it looks like. I'm very, very excited and very relieved. This day has, I basically been working on Dexter since 2008, so 8 years, and having these boards here in boxes made by a professional company is just, it's just such a good feeling. It just feels so good to actually finish something that I started so long ago. So I'm going to open the box up, check out the board, and see what I see. Okay, let's see how it looks. That looks good. Very, very nice. Looks awesome. I'm looking for any flaws. That looks good. I don't see any flaws. Phew. Okay, so the Advanced Circuits would not solder the entire thing together because they said it would take too long since I ordered so many. So it's missing the power connector, capacitor, fuse, buttons, RCA jacks, video. Yes, those are my kids you hear in the background. Anyway, so there's some things that I have to manually solder on. So I tried to pick the easiest ones, and I'm also hiring some people to come help me. So we're going to crank through these and get them shipped out. I'm very excited. Okay, here's 4 boards. I'm going to try to solder all 4 of them in parallel, and I'm going to time how long it takes me to do 4 to get an idea for what my velocity is. Okay, here's the 4 boards done. It took me 47 minutes, so not too bad, but I definitely need some hired help because at less than 15 minutes of board and 300 boards, it's going to take me a long time by myself, so good thing I have people coming to help me. Okay, it's April 22nd, 2016. And we are headed to the UPS area hub because Advanced Circuits, for some reason, decided not to ship my boards to the address I gave them, but instead shipped it to West Jordan, Utah, and didn't give an address. It just said, "will call," and they gave a phone number. And I have never heard of anything like that before. But it seems pretty crazy to me. So basically UPS said, we're going to ship it to Utah, but we're not going to tell you the address, so you got to call the guy and have him come pick it up. So that's what my daughter and I are doing right now. We are headed to the UPS Customer Center, which is about 22 minutes away from my house. And we're going to get about 6 large Dexter boxes. Okay, we are here at the UPS Customer Center, which is a huge building, and allegedly the Dexter boxes are inside. This is my daughter Olivia. So are you excited to get the Dexter boxes, Olivia? What do you think? Well, that sounds pretty convincing to me. Okay, let's go inside and see what we can do. Well, sister, what do you think? Is that enough boxes full of Dexter boards? Think that's enough? Or do we need some more?